Hello guys! I've got a microphone now, so I can talk to you from under here, even on the couch. Wait, this is my favorite. Even from my bedroom. It's an amazing piece of technology. I can be even an interviewer. What's your opinion on this?
I don't know why you haven't used it.
Anyways, right inside this box, we have the HITWAY H11, which according to these specs, presented right there, is the fastest e-scooter that I have ever reviewed. Oof, oof, oof. We have plastic white snow, a basic charger box, all the nut covers, and some zippies. The toolkit, which is sealed, very useful.
Yeah, I would definitely do that. Oh.
Yeah, my neighbors are coming knocking. What the hell is this? Oh, it's the headlight! You know, it's like Wally from Planet Lost.
Yeah,
you know? Woo, chrome! Really high quality HITWAY. Now the handlebar.
Oh,
if this is another charger HITWAY, I'm gonna kiss you. Literally, I'm gonna kiss you. It is another charger. They give you two chargers.
shit.
And it has two charging ports. It's amazing.
I kind of like the colors.
You know what time it is?
Assembly time.
Assembly time.
Yeah, not the most fun part. The DDM switch.
Yeah, the Diddy switch.
Bro, this is the awesome.
Yeah,
Play some no copyright songs.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. No, it's not. I like.
What are you trying to sing, bro?
Wait, it's that. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding.
You're just an autistic child with a lot of scooters.
I don't think so, bro.
It's pretty obvious.
Ding, 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 ding.
Work.
Screw it.
Days never finished. Master got me working. Someday master set me free.
Don't whip me, don't whip me.
Tired.
It's gonna be in the video. Keep assembling.
Wait a fucking minute.
What?
This?
It's a steering damper.
No.
Oh,
I don't know what that is.
we'll call it a steering damper.
We are very professional. Oh, that's the other way.
Yeah. Figured so.
Figured.
Figured! And can you bring me a bottle of water?
In Great Britain, we don't drink Polinka.
You're gonna go around the corner and keep the pocket, aren't you, dear son? Thank you for the answer. This is the HITWAY H11. It's one of the greatest e-scooters made on this planet. It has signals, the DD mode, headlights, which don't work yet because HitwayH11 helmet didn't assemble it, a great featuring design with blue ocean HITWAY
Ocean Key.
dual charging port, and could you perhaps give it some power? Yeah, put it with the NFC circle. On the press of the button, this thing has a great featuring side lights and a very powerful stop sign. Also, we have not hydraulic brakes, but very good brakes.
And a hole in my sock.
And a hole in your sock. And also, dear ladies and gentlemen, I forgot about the horn of this scooter.
Gentlemen's. Why did you say gentlemen first? Maybe you should scan this QR code because it has like Bluetooth.
That's a pretty clean app.
Yep.
We can turn on the headlight. What do you mean vehicle checkup?
Oh my god.
Wow!
It checks for errors.
Wow! This is a really cool feature. Vehicle positioning, but it also has a tracker, which is really, really helpful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
They're not the greatest. They're worse than the awesome DT2 Pro and worse than the Teverance, but far better than the G2 Master suspensions. Only thing that's left is to check for the speed. The scooter is on top of the box. We have to spin the wheel in order to see how much it accelerates up in the air. Okay, 36. Fully throttle it. 61. Throttle it. We got it. 61. Pretty impressive for half charge.
Yeah, but if we charge it, it's gonna be good.
And also outside there are -7 degrees.
Yeah, so
Every
this
single
video
day.
might take a bit longer.
So pretty much we're gonna have to wait on the weather.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's kinda been a month. The weather outside is at least frightful, but that doesn't matter. Today is the most beautiful day I think we're gonna get all this year. My whole city is covered in snow, and we have the big beautiful beast right here, ready to be tested on purely snowing snow. Literally, it's snowing right now. So I don't want to keep you waiting another month. Let's get right into the riding. The fact that this scooter doesn't have zero start is gonna make it really hard for us today. Look at how hard it is. It's instantly drifting. The target for today is to test how this scooter performs on snow and if scooters are viable at all on snow, because last time I checked an e-scooter on snow was with the G2 Master 1 year ago and that went quite well. I have bad news, guys. I lost my microphone. So the first mission of today is gonna be recovering my microphone. This is it, I suppose. Where could it be? Is it in here? Holy sh! Oh. I really hope this thing is waterproof, because otherwise I don't think we're gonna have a microphone anymore. We're back on track with everything. I'm gonna put on the gloves. I'm gonna pop it in dual and see how this scooter performs. I'm gonna be really careful because I don't want to get screwed up. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Okay, I cannot test this. I had my finger on the full throttle like for a half a second and this thing just skidded really goddamn bad. These are really dangerous conditions for a scooter. Let's go take over. We're gonna go back on single because dual on ice and snow is not a good idea, guys. It's gonna drift your whole entire scooter apart. Oh, the brakes are awful. Look at all this snow. Oh, it's gonna choke my whole entire motor. So they can be classified also as a waterproof test because snow, when it melts, tends to become pretty watery. We're going 50, 51. This scooter has the possibility to go more than 65 easily, but I'm not gonna do it on this road. It's just not gonna cut it. Come on. Oh, I don't know if this scooter has zero start, guys. As far as I know, it doesn't. And that makes it really annoying for traffic lights. Oh, hell no, Jigsaw. Holy shit. We're on dual and on snow. Come on. H11. Oh. I don't think we had this much snow in 10 years in my city, because if you compare this with last year's snow, it's like coughing baby versus hydrogen bomb. Every time I brake or I hit a little bump, the belt kinda goes like a little Chinese bong. Like that. I really love the signals on this scooter. Having them on the handlebar really makes them stand out. Recently I have went to the gym and I plan on going to the gym a lot, and I recommend you guys go to the gym too because it makes great muscle. Seeing a snowy cemetery is not as creepy as it used to be. It really makes it not that bad. No one even bothered to clean the snow in the whole entire park, guys. Everything is just fully covered. So this makes the perfect playground for this beast. I think I'm gonna try doing an acceleration test on snow. Hopefully I'm not gonna hit the kids right in front of me. We're on dual and 3, 2, 1 and launch. We have 25 kilometers, the speed of a Xiaomi, and brake. Oh! The brake test didn't go well. At least I didn't fail. The scooter sadly did. It still seems kind of intact. So we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna try to take it on off-road. The snow has about 10 centimeters. Hopefully we're not gonna get stuck. Come on! I have to give it a little bump. Yeah. Oh, it is struggling a bit to propel me forward, but it's working. I retrieve my words. Ooh, look at how deep the snow is. Look at that. Oh, for fuck's sake, I missed it. I missed the camera. Doesn't this POV look whitey? No, that was not a good joke. An S, U, sub, that's supposed to be a 2, E, S. I think it's time to leave this place because my pants and my boots seen better days. They're a little bit wet. All of these crows are surrounding me. Crows are not a good sign. It's only forward. Only forward. Okay. Again. Small steps. Small steps. Hitway. Alright. Oh, yeah. That's it. I like the fact that I'm fully alone here. Oh, except that guy with a mountain bike. He respects the hustle. Look at the amphitheater. It looks so goddamn cool with snow. Food is ready. We're continuing our journey. Why is the lake not iced out? And there are ducks swimming on the lake. Perhaps it's because of the waterfall. Here we're having a bit better snow. Much easier to ride on than the holy powdery mess that's out there. Let's test the suspensions a little bit on the Hitway. Still stiff. the cold didn't fix them. The snow is so powdery that it locks my wheel in place. Hitway, I really goddamn hope that you made this scooter very waterproof, because I don't want to wake up with a fire in my home or be woken up by the explosion. Both are equally as bad. Oh, we're going 30 kilometers per hour on snow. That feels amazing. I am really goddamn impressed by the Hitway. The double 1600 watt motors really doing their job, but the brakes, no, the brakes, trash. I don't know how fast we're going. Oh, but we cannot stop. Oh. I'm really starting to believe that this thing actually has a built-in steering damper, because this keeps the direction absolutely insanely well. Oh, that was a textbook Brexit tackle. And the concrete Beyblade arena in snow looks absolutely insane. Can we pop a drift? We can. Still really goddamn slippery. We left the park victorious. We did not have a crash, at least not a bad one. Brake! Oh! Also guys, in the near future I'm gonna be able to get my driving license. Please let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see car content, because I am really into cars and I would love to make shitty car content. So guys, I think that's it for today. My battery on the camera is 5%. So I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you subscribed. See you guys the next time.